Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to enable dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 14.3. This can be only done on iOS 14.3, so make sure you have updated your iPhone to the latest version by going into Settings, General, and then Software Update. Now go into your photo library and make sure you have the wallpapers downloaded. You can download it from the website or you can use your own photos from the library. Here we'll select all the photos which you want to show up at the background and create a new album. So select your photos and then tap on the share icon at the bottom left of the screen. Then scroll up and tap on Add to Album. Then tap on New Album, or you can add it to your existing album. Here I'll create a new album. I'll give it a name. I'll call it Wallpaper and then press OK. Now press Home and navigate to the link that appears on the screen. I'll paste the link in the description down below so you can copy that. Open Safari and paste that link in it. Once the page loads up, at the bottom of the page, tap on Get Shortcut. This will open the script in the Shortcut app. Scroll down all the way and tap on Add Untrusted Shortcut. Make sure you have allowed untrusted shortcuts by going to your Settings, Shortcuts, and then enabling Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. Once that is done, you should get a notification on your screen saying it has been added to the Shortcut app. Now tap on the Shortcut tab, and then you should see the new Autowall Shortcut at the top of the screen. Tap on the three dots for the Autowall script. Then tap on Allow Access to your photos and then confirm by pressing OK. Now find the line where it says Album is Recents. Tap on Recent and change it to your album which you have just created for your wallpaper. Now let's create an automation where the wallpaper changes at a certain time of the day. Tap on the Automation tab. Then tap on Create Personal Automation. Select the time of the day. Now set your desired time you want the wallpaper to change. Then tap on Next. Then tap on Add Action. Search for Run Shortcut. On your iPhone running iOS 14.3. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.